डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी UGC मालविया मिशन टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग सेंटर ऑनलाइन रिफ्रेशर कोर्स इन लायब्ररी अँड इन्फॉर्मेशन सायन्स. डॉक्टर राजाराम रामेश्वर डोईफोडे, लायब्रेरियन अँड व्हाईस प्रिन्सिपल, राजर्षी शाहू आर्ट्स कॉमर्स अँड सायन्स कॉलेज भारत, तालुका भोकरदन, डिस्ट्रिक्ट जालना. My micro teaching topic: search the OPAC and use proper checkout procedure. Introduction: the best approach to understanding the nature of teaching and establishing a harmonious relationship between teacher of facilitating learning. Effectiveness in teaching does not related to teachers' age, sex, and teaching experiences. Micro teaching activities are part of the course of teaching competence development. This course is designed to equip students with basic teaching skill, teacher confidence, teacher educator ethics, and teaching practice. What is micro teaching? Micro teaching, a method of teacher training teaching techniques, simplifies the complex teaching process so that the student teacher can cope with it. Sell down teaching encounter, teaching reduce in class size, concept, time, and number of pips. Characteristics of micro teaching: duration of teaching as well as number of students, area less. Contact is divided into similar units. Only one teaching skill in considered at a time. Provision of immediate feedback. In micro teaching cycle, there is faculty of replanning, reteaching, and re-evaluation. It puts the teachers under the microscope. All the faults of the teachers are observed. The problem of discipline can also be controlled. Micro teaching cycle. Step 1: micro lesson plan. Make 2 hours a day. Step 2: teach 5 minutes. Step 3: feedback session 5 minutes. Step 4: replan 10 minutes. And step 5: reteach another group 5 minutes. And step: re-feedback 5 minutes. Total 13 minutes. Traditional teaching versus micro teaching. Transitional teaching class considers of 40 to 60 students. Micro teaching class consists of a small group of 6 to 10 students. The teacher practice several skill at a time. Micro teaching, the teachers take up one skill at a time. Traditional teaching, the duration is 40 to 45 minutes. Micro teaching duration of time for teaching is 5 to 7 minutes. Committed feedback is not available. Micro teaching, there is immediate feedback. Traditional teaching, there is an on control over solution. Micro teaching is a clear on under control solution. The traditional teaching, the role of the supervisor is value, and micro teaching as the role of the supervisor is specific and well defined to improve teaching. Traditional teaching platform of classroom interaction cannot be studies. Micro teaching platform of classroom investment can be studies objectively. Micro teaching techniques skill. 1. Introduction skill. Skill of probing questions. Skill of examination. Skill of verification. Skill of blackboard writing. Skill of achieving courses. Lesson plan search the OPAC and use proper checkout procedure. Accept objective indicator. Students will be able to search the OPAC and use proper checkout procedure. I can statement. I can search the OPAC. I can demonstrate proper checkout procedure. Common Core Standard CC5W8 research to build and present knowledge, recall relevant information from experience, or gather relevant information from print and digital sources, summarize or paraphrase information in note and finished work, and provide a list of sources. Accept procedure. A indicator seat students a table to tell about organization in the library. Demonstrate using the OPAC as review. Review checkout procedure. If time allows, students should practice filling books using OPAC. Assessment. Students will use the OPAC to find books they are sharing for. Additional resources, if any. Conclusion. The micro teaching produce the procedure product of the basic teaching instrument, which includes accept of open learning skill, examining skill, questioning skill, small discussion guideline skill, small group and individual teaching skill, strength skill, reaction skill, classroom management skill, and closing skill of learning. Micro teaching instrument based on the basic teaching skill developed into the category is very flexible. The micro teaching instrument can be used to access teaching practice more measurable because its use indicators of basic teaching skill for each accept. Thank you.